Happy Birth-Aversary, Auntie Joanne Stevens. This is an oil portrait I made of my sister Joanne Stevens when she was younger. We are a year and a half apart. The jacaranda tree is always in bloom for her birthday in Arizona. It is so beautiful. I love purple. May 16th is Auntie Joanne's birthday. Birthdays are family days. We love each other so much. Uncle Roscoe is a family icon. Happy 48th anniversary, May 17th. I love Arizona. This is where I usually take my staycations. This year it'll be in November. Family is everything to us, near and far. We spend so much time together. We love each other. We cook, laugh, everything. Happy May 17th, everybody. Love you. Family is everything. Mommy's always there by FaceTime when she can't get there personally. This is the Arizona landscape in May, in the summer. The front desert landscaping. Family is everything. Like, comment, and subscribe. Trying to get my sister to co-host with me. Family is everything. Thanks for watching.